Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darla Rodriguez and we're going to talk some new eye products, makeup from Lancome that have launched in the last few months. Again, I know I took a little break. If you missed my last episode, which was stick around for this one because it should be better. I've used these products and I just want to share my thoughts on them with you. So sit back, subscribe, and let's get into it. So what I have here is the new Idole Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner, liquid liner. And then I also have the Lancome new mascara. It's called Le8. It's probably said much prettier than what I just said, but Le8 Hypnose. And it is their wax-free serum mascara, which, first of all, I'm just in love with the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. It's heavy. It's actually glass. So if you're into bougie stuff, this is so nice. I mean, all of Lancome's mascaras to me are phenomenal. I'm a fan. You can look back. I love them. I love Lancome's mascaras. So I was really excited when they launched this. And then their eyeliner, this is in the Idole line. It's a liquid liner. And I already use the art liner that Lancome has had for, 20 plus years. I love it. But I thought I'm going to give this one a go and see how I like it. The tip is very thin. I think it is longer and thinner as far as the tip than the art liner. And the art liner, you shake it to activate the color so it stays like in a pot and stays fresh. So I wasn't sure, typically a pen will dry out a little quicker, but so far so good. So I just want to show you how this works. Well, I'll show you on my hand first. So I'll go right here. You can get a pretty fine line with it, or if you lay it down, it can become fatter. Okay. I think that's with a lot of liners, although I don't know how many liners are that thin. Now, I will say it's more of a true black. You know how you have, and it's so hard because black is black, right? But there's a soft black, there's black, and then there's a bold black. If you really do a dramatic liner, you can get a pretty bold black look with this, but typically it's just going to be a black and even kind of on the soft side. So let me go ahead and apply it for you and show you what I love about this eyeliner and what I love about Lancome liquid liners in general. No skipping, no blurps. I don't know if that's the right word, but there are some liners that I've literally been using and then all of a sudden a lot of product comes out. I will say Lancome has really done a great job with their liquid liners in general. So the tip is soft and I have 50-year-old eyes. So I'm gonna lean in right here so you can really see, like, it's not tugging on my eye at all, which for me is a very, very important thing. I love all of the colored liners that different lines have, and I try them. But because my eyes are, they've been around a while, I don't get that sleek look because the tip of the pen is hard and it will grab this fragile skin that is not as tight as it used to be. And it doesn't look pretty. So I'm going to do just this very thin on the corner line so you can see that it is easy and it's waterproof, but it comes off very easily. And I love that. So for me, this is a win-win. Again, this is not my first time using it. I've used it multiple times and I love it. It's right up there with Art Liner with me, and I love Art Liner. Still a great liner. If you're between the two, the only plus for the Art Liner, which I can't even say with confidence on this one yet, is the length of time that you have with the Art Liner is amazing because the product stays fresh in the pot. Or it doesn't come in a pot, but in the pen. We'll see with this one how it lasts. I've had it maybe a month now. So quickly, I'm going to put on Sills Booster. If you guys don't know about Sills Booster, I mean, you just need to. It is Lancome's primer for mascara. In my opinion, one of the best primers ever made. It's been around for years, and it's in their gifts. It's been blasted out in sets. I mean, I would think a lot of people have tried it. If you haven't, you need to. I want to say it's like 25 bucks, 25.50, and it's worth every penny. It lifts, it has a lifting action, so it lifts your lashes and conditions them. It has provitamin B8. Look at that already. It's, did I say B8? Provitamin B5. It's a fabulous, fabulous product. Now, to the 8, a wax-free serum mascara. Beautiful packaging, hourglass brush. It's in the Hypnose line. Actually, I don't know if you could see that. Look. Oh, now it's not doing it. So when you open it, it kind of just comes out. Now, I did not know this at the beginning of trying this, so I'm really bummed that I didn't research. Recommend you guys always research when you're buying something or when you've purchased something. Research how to use it so you get the best product experience possible. So because this is a wax-free product and it has serum, you want to, the reason for the 8 is that you twist it in here, not pump it. You twist it. They want you to do it like 8 times, and it activates the product. And then you can see that hourglass brush, and you have the product activated. Now, this is supposed to have a serum in it, so it is nourishing for the eyes and a treatment for the lashes, help with growth. And then it's supposed to give you volume. And I will say, it is not the most volumizing mascara I've ever used. And for me, it's not the best mascara I've ever used, but it's definitely not the worst. Now, with that being said, it is on the pricier side. I'm going to have Ness put the price down below so you can see it. But there's the action of it right there. They say it's not clumpy. It's not clumpy. But what you don't realize is that you do need to activate the product within the tube, because I will say, I just pulled it out. I was excited to use it, undid it, pulled it out, and like literally no volume, nothing. It was just like not really any performance that I was going to be in awe of, especially again for the price. But that it's a wax-free serum mascara is a plus for a lot of people. Necessarily not for me, but I know, and I have been asked if people or if lines have a wax-free product that is nourishing, that is treatment for the eyelashes as well, because some people really have a problem with their eyelashes falling out. So that is this. So conclusion, would I buy this again? Absolutely. This is the Lancome waterproof eyeliner in black. I believe that's the only color it comes in. Awesome product. Would I buy this again? Probably not. I'm a Hypnose Drama fan, and I will probably go back to that mascara after, but I'm glad I tried it. Again, beautiful, beautiful packaging, but just not something that I'm willing, it is on the pricier side, not something that I'm willing to spend more money on the second time around. Okay, well, there you have it. Thank you for hanging with me. Have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.